A storm has been building quietly, beneath the headlines, behind the charts, and just under the surface of a market that's been too quiet for too long. XRP, the digital asset that once faced lawsuits, bans, and doubts, has defied gravity in 2025. From a forgotten 0.49 just a year ago, to over $3 today. But even now, traders, analysts, and institutions all agree the next breakout is near. After tapping a major high around 366 in July, XRP pulled back. A healthy reset, it fell to the $2.80 zone, but something happened there. Volume spiked. Whales started moving.
Over 70 million XRP changed hands from dormant wallets.
It wasn't panic. It was positioning. The market found its balance, and the charts are whispering a message only the patient will hear. A fractal pattern has formed, one eerily similar to the setup that launched XRP 70% higher earlier this year. Technicals point to resistance around 335 to 3.42. That's the lid. That's the wall. Once it's broken, the sky opens up, and the next phase begins. Analysts see the first breakout zone targeting 450 to $6. But it doesn't stop there. Fibonacci extensions, volume tunnels, and macro indicators align toward numbers XRP hasn't seen in years. $8, $10, even $15 if momentum and volume combine with regulation tailwinds. And those tailwinds, they're already here. The US Federal Reserve is signaling a rate cut for September, and markets are preparing. Liquidity is about to return to the system. And XRP, already liquid, fast, and utility-driven, is perfectly positioned to benefit. Meanwhile, South Korea just lit the fuse. BDACS, a fully regulated crypto custodian, has officially launched institutional custody services for XRP. That means banks, hedge funds, and even governments can now legally hold and settle with XRP under strict regulation. This isn't hype, it's structure. The rails are being laid. The question isn't if XRP is going to move, it's when, and the signs are everywhere. ETF inflows for XRP just passed $500 million, whale wallets are loading, and the monthly RSI shows the kind of setup that's only been seen before historic runs. A major breakout isn't a fantasy anymore, it's a forecast. The chart tells a story of coiled power. The market is quiet now, too quiet. But in that silence, there's momentum building. Like a spring pulled back, like a slingshot waiting for release. If XRP breaks above 342, all technical models align for a blast toward $5, then $6, and maybe beyond. Analysts call it the escape zone, where XRP finally leaves the old battlefields of $1 and $2 behind and charges into a new frontier. But remember, this isn't just about price. XRP isn't some meme coin bouncing off hype tweets. It was built with purpose to power the next evolution of money. And it's finally being recognized as such. So what happens next? That's up to the market, up to the buyers, the institutions, the retail wave watching from the sidelines.